Farington is one of those jewels in the English countryside, and without doubt, this property is one of the diamonds. So they say the kitchen is the heart of the house. Well, in this house, it's the dining room, games room, the bar, and the kitchen. Oh, and the living room behind me. What's not to like? Saying goes that retail is detail. Well, gotta say it's all here. German appliances, beautiful units, and of course the dining room to dine for. Well, you don't need me to show you around the property. I'll let you have a look round, and I'll see you outside shortly. Ah, you're back. Did you enjoy it? Well, I did. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, give us a ring.